Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a hair and makeup transformation video, and my model today is my little cousin. She just recently turned 18 years old and graduated from high school, and she's off to college in the fall. And like most kids her age, she's trying to find her style, so she's experimenting with different hairstyles and all of that kind of stuff. So I offered to give her a little mini makeover. So I'm not going to narrate too much, but I'm basically going to give her a sew-in with the closure. This is her second time installing this hair, so her closure is actually starting to bald. So if you guys see the closure and it looks a little rough, it's because it is, but I was able to finesse it and give her a nice cute style. So yeah, that is pretty much it. Yeah, and then I'm just going to do her a nice little makeup look at the end. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you enjoy transformation videos like this, let me know down in the comment section. I actually really like doing these type of videos and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna stop talking now because you guys know I will ramble. And yeah, enjoy the video.
that too.